What's up, guys? Want to make money online without holding inventory or spending thousands up front? You've probably heard of dropshipping. I'm talking about building a real business right from your laptop. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to start a profitable dropshipping business in 2025 with zero experience. We're talking step-by-step, no BS. Listen, thousands of people are making passive income from dropshipping, but only a few succeed. Why? Because they're following outdated strategies. That's why we're diving deep into the real steps that work today. No more recycled garbage. We're going straight to the good stuff. So are you ready to become your own boss? I'm talking about financial freedom, working from anywhere, and building a business you're proud of. Let's do this. First things first, we need to find your niche. Think of it like this. What problem can you solve for people? This isn't about selling anything and everything. You want to find a dedicated group of people who are passionate about something. Let's brainstorm some ideas. Pet products are huge right now. People treat their pets like royalty. We're talking customized dog beds, automatic feeders, the works. Or how about home gadgets? Everyone wants their crib to be decked out. We're talking smart lights, robot vacuums, the stuff that makes life easier. And don't forget about tech accessories and beauty tools. These are always in high demand. But how do you know what's actually trending? It's simple. Use tools like Google Trends to see what people are searching for. Go on TikTok, see what's blowing up. Check out Amazon bestsellers for even more ideas. Find something that gets you hyped because that passion is going to show. Alright, you've got your winning niche. Now, you need to find suppliers who are going to deliver the goods, literally. The key here is finding suppliers who are reliable and offer high-quality products. 2 words, AliExpress and CJ Dropshipping. These platforms are your new best friends. They have millions of products, so you'll find exactly what you need. Spocket is another great option, especially if you want fast shipping to the US. And trust me, fast shipping is a game changer when it comes to customer satisfaction. But here's the thing. Don't just choose the first supplier you see. Do your research. Read reviews from other dropshippers, and don't be afraid to order samples to check the quality for yourself. Remember, you're building a brand here, so quality is non-negotiable. Time to build your online empire. Don't worry, you don't need to be a tech whiz for this. Platforms like Shopify, Wix, or WooCommerce make it stupid easy to create a professional-looking store in just a few minutes. Choose a clean, visually appealing theme that really represents your brand. Next, upload your products with high-quality images and write clear, compelling descriptions that make people want to hit that Buy Now button. Now, let's talk trust. People need to feel confident about buying from you. Add customer reviews to your product pages and make sure you have a clear return policy. It shows you care about their experience. It's time to get the word out about your awesome products. And there's no better way to do that than with viral ads. We're talking TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook ads. These platforms are where it's at. The key is to create eye-catching video ads that grab people's attention in the first 5 seconds. Show your product in action, solving a problem that your target audience can totally relate to. Remember those niches we talked about? This is where they come in clutch. Don't worry if you're not a video editing pro. Tools like Canva and InVideo make it super simple to create high-converting video ads that look fire. Experiment with different ad formats and see what resonates with your audience. Alright, your store is up and running and you're getting those sales, but the game doesn't stop there. Now it's time to optimize and scale your business like a boss. Keep a close eye on your analytics using Shopify Analytics or Google Ads Manager. Figure out which products are your top performers and which ads are driving the most sales. Double down on what's working. Once you've found your winning formula, it's time to scale. Invest more in your best performing ads, partner with influencers to reach a wider audience, and consider moving to a fulfillment center like Zendrop to handle those increased order volumes. So, there you have it. The blueprint for building a profitable dropshipping business in 2025. Remember, the dropshipping game is all about adapting to the latest trends and constantly testing and optimizing your strategies. If you found this video helpful, make sure to smash that like button, drop a comment below, and subscribe for more business ideas in 2025. Let me know what you want to see next. Start now, because your online empire won't build itself.